It's long-lasting and transfer-proof. I look dry and I have an oily T-zone. I need some more. Hi beautiful, and welcome to the video. Today we are doing a full face of Missguided makeup. Missguided came out with a makeup line and I just don't want to say too much. You're gonna have to watch the video to the end. Just keep watching if you want to see me doing a full face of Missguided makeup and find out what I think about it. So here are all the Missguided things that I got. A lot of products still on the packaging. I love the packaging, by the way. That's the first thing I have to say. I don't look crazy. I know my hair look crazy. I need some toning. I know, don't roast me. I know, but yeah, I just love the packaging. That's the first thing I have to talk about. It's super sleek. It looks really bougie when it's like super affordable. So that's like really insane. So I cannot wait to try these products out. A lot of stuff. I just have a lot of stuff to try. I'm so excited. I love to try new makeup. I just love the feeling of trying new makeup. So we are going to start with primer, of course. So this is the primer. I just love the packaging. I mean, look how cute. I don't even know if this is going to match me. It kind of looks like it's going to match my neck, but the concealer, it doesn't look much lighter. So yeah, it's really hard to shade match online, but the packaging, it looks so bougie. Like, it's like so sleek, so pretty. I'm just in love with this packaging, and it's like all this stuff is super affordable. Like the prices, are you kidding me? This is the Missguided Thirst Base. It's a mattifying primer. I need primer right now. Just gonna apply a little bit to the center of my face and then spread it out. Feels like it's mattifying. Definitely it feels like mattifying. Feels good. Smells like nothing. And it does take away all the shine, which is good for a mattifying primer. Yeah, my face is looking crazy because I just filmed another makeup and removed the makeup, and that's why I look really red. I was just filming another makeup video, and when I remove my makeup I tend to get red all the time. Now it's time for foundation. I'm really excited to try their foundation. This is the Demi-Matte foundation, Meet Your Match from Missguided. I'm using the shade 05. I don't know if this will work for me, but I hope so. Now it's time to see how this is going to work. It says that this is a buildable medium coverage, is long-lasting and transfer-proof. Now let me see the price for this foundation. So usually 22 euros, about like $20 I believe, and right now it's 50% off and it retails for 11 euros. Putting a little bit more because it's kind of sheer. It's not as full coverage, it's a medium to full coverage, so we will like build it up and see, but it's really like natural looking. Let's go and try build this baby up. You can definitely build this up. It's a lot better. Let me just like spread it all over. So this is one layer. You can still see some redness, and these are two layers. I need to like use a mirror to see up close how this is looking. I don't know. There is something about the formula that is weird. I just don't know. Okay, so I look like a ghost. This is way too light for me. I just don't like the formula, how it sits on my skin. So this is what the concealer looks like. And let me just check the price real quick. 8 euros. Now that it is on 50% off. So originally 15 euros. Mattifying finish with hydrating aloe vera juice, vitamin E, and zinc for UVA protection. It's vegan and cruelty free. I just don't know. I'm not the best at like shade matching myself online. I definitely got the foundation wrong, too light. Let's see the concealer. Smells like makeup. Yeah, the concealer is dark. It's dark, you guys. So this concealer shade is what the foundation should look like. Yeah, that's pretty much what we are going to do. Conceal a bit here and there. Let's go and blend that out. Now the concealer is creamy. I definitely like the concealer more. It blends really nice and it looks creamy and flawless. Just gonna go with a little bit more. Just like spot concealer as well, since it's like the same shade because it does look like this concealer gives me more coverage than the actual foundation. So I'm going to spot conceal. I'm going to use their Meet Your Match contouring stick in M5. So let's hope that this baby right here will save me. This is what it looks like. The color looks fine, but let's try it out. Let's just try it out. I'm afraid. That just really removed the makeup that I had in there. Let me try to apply it into the back of my hand. Not much is happening. Let me try to warm up the product. Yeah, it's starting to come alive. Let's try now. Yeah. I guess the product just needed a little bit of warming. So let's just like apply it. Let's try to blend this out and see what happens. This is my face when I'm like not happy. I'm going in with this stick all the time to make it more pigmented, but I don't know. Now it's time for blush, and I'm gonna be using their Missguided Stop Unblushing Cream Blush. This is the high pigmented matte blush. Next we are going in with their mattifying powder. This is Matric from Missguided. This must be translucent, I hope. Okay, it is translucent. It doesn't give any color, which is good. That's not what I need right now. Now we are going to use their bronzer. This is the Missguided Instant Vacay Bronze Duo Powder in the shade Light. Let me just show it up close. We are going to bronze the hell out of my face. Yeah, this does give me some color. You know what? I'm gonna take a big brush and that lighter shade to the right or left, and I'm just gonna... Now they don't have any setting spray or glow spray or whatever, but my skin is so dry I wanna cry. So I really need to use something else. I do not care. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty What Do You Do Makeup Refreshing Spray. I need some refreshing spray, honey. This is not working for me. This face is not working for me. I look dry and I have an oily T-zone. I need some more. But now we are going to move on into blush, and I'm going to be using their Missguided Stop Unblushing High Pigmented Matte Blush. This is in the shade About Last Night, and this is what the blush looks like. Pretty shade. So let's go in with blush. I love a blush moment. Yeah, but the color is pretty. Like the blush and the bronzer, I really like the bronzer. The blush is really pretty as well. It's kind of pigmented, so it has to be applied very carefully, but it's a pretty color. So next thing we have the highlighter. So let me check. This is their Missguided Highlight Highlighter Powder. This is in the shade Iced Out. Let me open it up. Let's just apply it and see. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, the highlighter I like. Pigmented, love the color. It's really bam in your face, so like this. Next we have a Freckle pen. So this is their Frecks Appeal Freckle pen, original Frecks. I'm kind of afraid to use this after my experience with everything that I've been using today, but we are going to give this a try. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Looks crazy. It looks really crazy. Let's hope it looks better once I blend it out with the sponge. The blending with the sponge is just kind of breaking the makeup underneath. We just need to move forward. We are going to start with brows, and for brows we have a Right Now brow gel. Oh, this I like. It's really working well for my brows. Finally, something that I really like, feel like, wow, this is nice, this works. Love the color, love how it pushes my brows upwards and gives like a hint of color. Just like really like it. Next brow product is their Oh Hey Brow brow pencil, micro precision brow in the shade dark. I'm just gonna fill in those gaps. I just have to point out how much I love the packaging. Like the packaging is really pretty, so sleek, and it looks like so bougie. So this is the brow pencil, and this is the shade dark. Okay, I'm not mad at this brow. So the brow products I really liked. I'm really happy with how my brows turned out. And to be honest, like the look is not looking really like, it's not ugly. I like the look and I like the products, which is not the foundation. I think the foundation is what making all the other products not work well. For eyeshadow, they didn't have any eyeshadow palette, so I'm going to use a little bit of the bronzer to kind of contour my eyes a bit. Kind of like the bronzer, like the bronzer just fine. It worked well on my eyes as well. And now I have these Sleek Fleek waterproof gel eyeliner. And I'm going to try to do a smoked kind of line. Give it a little bit of a foxy eye kind of thing here. Like so. Straighten that line with a little bit of concealer. So this is what I came up using that eyeliner. I'm not mad at it. It's just like, okay. The eyeliner is okay. And next we have these lids. This is a cream eyeshadow. I don't want to use a lot of it on my lids. I'm just gonna apply it a little bit just to see what is it about. Just to give some like color. I don't know if this even looks good this way, but it's just like to test it out. This is a testing video, so it's okay if things don't work out. I also got their matte eyeliner. I'm just gonna go with a little bit over that line, just a little bit. This is the Girl Glide matte liquid eyeliner. I just want to test it out to see if it's really matte or if it's not as matte as it says, so I'm just gonna test it out. Because I'm going to put eyelashes on top. It's okay. Oh, it's really matte. It actually is. I just wanted to test it out, but look how matte that is. It's really matte. This I like. This is my kind of thing. I want to try their mascara. This is Oh Hi Lash. Oh Hi Lash. In the shade black, just a black mascara. This is a length and definition fiber mascara. So black and just like so long. I think I will like this. Yeah, I like it. It's my type of mascara. It's finally time for lips. I'm just gonna remove the makeup from my lips. And this is the Pickup Line lip liner in the shade Wood Lip Liner. Pretty like similar shade to my lips. I'm just gonna go in with it. I'm gonna fill that in. I like the lip liner. It was kind of easy to apply, really precise. Love the packaging. Now I have this Gimme lipstick. Love the packaging. It gives me those like KKW vibes. This is the shade Don't At Me. Let me show you guys. A beautiful nude. Really pretty. With a little bit of the lip liner again and darken up the edges. Now last but not least, I'm going in with the Lip Juice Super Shine Lip Gloss. This looks so cute. I love the packaging, clear. I cannot wait to try this. It smells so good. It really does give a lot of shine. What do I think about Missguided makeup? What do I think about Missguided makeup? I don't know where to start. I just expected so much more. Some products just didn't do it for me. The foundation, the primer, the concealer, like the things that I was most excited about didn't work well for me. Like, I like the look. It's a cute makeup look. It's just like the foundation, like especially here. Look at the concealer. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Look here. It's just not doing it for me. Other products were okay. I really like the brow gel thing. It's just like, that's just going to my favorites. I love the gloss. The blush was a little bit too pigmented, but it was okay. The bronzer was okay. The highlighter was really pretty. The freckle thing was nice. The lip products were also nice. The eyeliner, the black eyeliner, I need to test it out more, but I liked it. It was super matte. Overall, like, most things I liked, but the things that I was really like hoping that would work and my expectations were super high about didn't work. So I'm kind of disappointed, but at the same time, yeah, that was some things that I liked. So I need to give this brand another try. Maybe not the foundation, but incorporate some of the other products into my other like normal favorites kind of makeup routines and see how they work. They will probably work super well with the other products that I'm usually using. That's what I have to say on Missguided makeup. I mean, you have a lot to improve here. I don't want to like bash them or anything. They have a lot to improve in this brand, and I'm sure they can do it. It's just like a first launch. I'm sure they can come out with better products, at least for foundation and like base products, because the other products are pretty fine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this full face of Missguided, and if you did so, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And tell me down below which product would you like to try, what did you like, what you didn't like, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye bye.